Before you rush to add the DEWALT to your toolkit, there are some surprising downsides you might want to consider. Stick around to find out more. The DEWALT DCG410WW1 is a cordless angle grinder designed to handle a variety of applications with ease. Its robust build and ergonomic design ensure comfort during extended use. The tool's sleek, compact form factor allows for maneuverability in tight spaces, making it a versatile addition to any professional's arsenal. But does it offer the same premium feel as its competitors? One of the standout features is the brushless motor, delivering up to 1,590 MWO and a no-load speed of 9,000 RPM. This power ensures efficient cutting and grinding across various materials. The inclusion of anti-rotation system enhances user safety by detecting excessive rotational motion and shutting down the tool to prevent accidents. For those invested in smart tool management, the DEWALT is Tool Connect chip ready. By integrating a compatible chip, users can track and manage assets via the Tool Connect Site Manager app. Additionally, the wireless tool control system offers on and off capability when paired with a compatible DEWALT dust extractor, streamlining operations and maintaining a cleaner work environment. Priced competitively, the DEWALT 410WW1 offers substantial value, especially considering the inclusion of the XR POWERPACK battery and fast charger. For the latest deals and offers, check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: heavier compared to some competitors, requires separate purchase for Tool Connect chip, higher price point than basic models. Pros: high performance brushless motor, advanced safety features with anti-rotation system, smart tool management capabilities, includes high capacity battery and fast charger. For more details on the latest offers, check out the Amazon link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video.